Okay, everybody, here's what we did today. We did a fun little activity called the wave. And the wave is where you stand up and cheer each other, and you see it in stadiums all the time where people will stand and go, yay, and the wave goes around and around and around the stadium. So we couldn't do that per se, but we did a one-person wave. So we sat in chairs in a circle, and we did first a four-person wave, and I timed it. Then we did a seven-person wave, and I timed it. So the kids actually got out of chairs and cheered, okay? Then we did an 11-person cheer, and I timed it. Then I went 15 people, 20 people, 24 people, 27, and we kept going around until 30 people had stood up and did the wave. So we took our data, and then we put it in a scatter plot. I went by twos to make sure the kids fit. So the number of people is our control variable, or independent variable. It's my independent variable. And this then time would be our dependent variable. And then we did a scatter plot. Okay, well, obviously we had one outlier here. We went probably a little bit too fast on this one. And then we slowed it back down. So, but our outlier is still part of our data. And then we put it on a calculator, and we did the linear regression. So we went to Stat, to Edit, we put our data in, our calculator, we went back to Stat, went to Calculate our linear regression line, and we calculated, here's what we got as an answer. So we got an answer of about y equals a 0.38x plus a 1.188, okay? Or in terms of this, we'd have time is equal to 0.38p for people plus 1.188, okay? Now the R value was about 0.95. It would be nice if R was closer to 0.99, but then the reason it wasn't quite 0.99 is because we had a bit of an outlier here, which made our data not line up so well. If this point had been down here, our outlier, our R value, would have been closer to 0.99. So then to do a 100-person wave, we just plugged the 100 in. And we did 0.38 times 100 plus 1.18. And then a 200-person wave will just double that time. And that was our notes. And then for homework, we did the whole thing all over again. We collected data again, but this time we collected data for our homework. So this is our data for homework on the wave. You also have to then make a scatter plot, and then you need to do the same questions on the back. Okay, so anyway, there's our data if you missed class, and then you can go ahead and get that from this video. Okay, that's all I have.